Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jojo for those who are new, and I upload videos every Friday on DIY projects centered on home decor, upcycling, auction videos. So if any of these topics interest you, kindly consider hitting the red subscribe button below. So in today's video, I'll be helping my best friend to do her home bar. So what we are going to be using is some floating shells, and I need to show you what we're working with. So this is what we will be working with. So this is the one we are going to be working with, and the shells that we're using to hang up on the wall, and we have some brackets over here. So what we need to do is we're going to spray paint these, and they're going to be gold. So we will work with gold and this color of the shells. So first thing, we need to know how long the shells are. And we have some brackets over here. So what we need to do is we're going to spray paint this, and they're going to be gold. So we will work with gold. So let's get to spray painting. So we are done spray painting. So we'll wait for them to dry, and then the next thing you're going to do is drill holes on the wall. So we are going to be working with 2 shelves and 2 brackets. So we need to know where the first shelf will be, so that we can be able to mark the places where we're going to drill. So we decided to use the metal rods so as to prevent the bottles from falling. Since we are working with gold, we have to spray paint this, and you can get these metal rods from Kamkunji, from the hardware there. So what you're going to do, we're going to spray paint the whole thing gold. We've already hung the 2 shelves on the wall, and we decided to go with 3 brackets as opposed to 2, so that at least the shelf can be very stable. So the next thing we're going to do is create some wine racks that will go below the second shelf. We do want to go out and purchase extra stuff for the wine glass rack, so we decided we're going to use the extra shelf that we had, and we're going to measure small slim pieces and cut them and use them for the wine glass rack. We use contact glue to glue the sides. Here we are covering the sides so as to have a smooth and clean finish. Next, we did screw the 2 pieces together so as to make sure that it would be strong. So here is the complete piece, all done. So the next thing you're going to do is screw it on the shelf. So here we're using the base of a wine glass to determine the spacing between the 2 pieces. So we have finished attaching the wine glass rack on the bottom shelf. So the next thing you're going to do is install the lighting. We used the small LED fluorescent lighting, white and cream in color. So guys, this is our final product, and on the top shelf we decided to do the white light so that it can bounce off the ceiling since the ceiling is white, and on this shelf we did a warm color since this is where the bottles and the glasses will be, and at the bottom this is where we're going to put the wine glasses. So I'm waiting for my bestie to come and we can put everything together.
Hi guys, how are you? My name is Kagwe, and I am beyond impressed with what the outcome of this is. This is what I visualized in my mind, but it has actually come out better than I expected. So I'm so happy. Thank you so much for always supporting Jojo. She's very talented, so please keep subscribing and sharing with your friends. And now we're going to stock the bar.
So we've managed to complete the top part. So what is remaining is getting bar stools and the bar table. But for now, we're using the piano since this is like an entertainment area. That is it for today's episode. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. If you did like the video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you're new, kindly hit the subscribe button below. Until next time, bye.